Hey Roses, it's Olena from OlenaRosanne. In today's video, we're doing a makeup collab with Teacup 67. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Welcome back, Roses. Now, before we get too far into this video, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hit the notification bell because you want to make sure you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. And subscribe because I need more roses in my rose garden. I need you, so make sure you subscribe. I'll give you a second. Okay, now that that's done, thank you and welcome. Now, as I said before, today's video is a collab. This collab is with Teacup 67, who's actually the owner and operator of Teacup Cosmetics, which is where this particular eyeshadow palette I'm using is from. Now, I'll go ahead and make sure I leave information for Teacup 67 and Teacup Cosmetics in the description box. If you've been following me or subscribed to me for a while, you know the name Teacup Cosmetics is not a stranger to these lips. Why? Because most of the lip gloss, lipsticks that you see me wear is from Teacup Cosmetics. So anyway, I want to go ahead and do this particular makeup look or just make up something along the way. And I thought to myself, once filming this, I'm like, okay, I can put this on IGTV. And then I thought for a second, girl, you have a YouTube channel. Put it on YouTube and make sure it's a collab. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not a makeup artist, nowhere close. I just like makeup. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'll see you guys at the end. Okay, there you have it. All done. Make sure you subscribe and check out Teacup 67's video as well. I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.